Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Kia Rio headlight. First, ensure your vehicle is off and cool. You will need a flathead screwdriver and a 10mm socket wrench. Begin by locating the two bolts on top of the headlight assembly and remove them with your socket wrench. Next, gently pull the headlight forward slightly to access the electrical connector at the back. Disconnect this by pressing the tab and pulling it free. After disconnecting the electrical connector, check for any additional clips or screws that might be securing the headlight. Some models may have a hidden fastener or two. Once all fasteners are removed, gently wiggle the entire headlight assembly to release it from its mounting points. Be careful not to force it, as plastic tabs can break easily. Now, carefully lift the headlight out and place it on a clean, stable surface. With the headlight assembly removed, you can now access the bulbs. On the back of the unit, you'll find circular access covers. Twist these covers counterclockwise to remove them, revealing the bulb sockets inside. For most bulbs, you'll either unclip a wire retainer or twist the bulb itself counterclockwise to release it. Handle new bulbs by their base to avoid touching the glass. To reassemble, carefully insert the new bulb into its socket, ensuring it's seated correctly. Then, replace the access covers by twisting them clockwise until secure. Reconnect the electrical connector to the headlight assembly. Align the headlight with its mounting points and gently push it back into place. Reinstall the two top bolts and tighten them. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Test your headlights to ensure they are working properly before driving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.